There's a rumor the girls have a secret base, but I've never seen it.
Excuse me, but school is out, and no students allowed on the premises until tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. I warn you, stay away from the doors. One step towards those doors and I will be forced to write you up. Why can't you just leave us alone? Oh boy, we won!
Officer down, send backup.
I repeat, officer down. All hallway monitors to the right hallway.
Oh, god damn it!
Here they come.
They're gonna get you, Craig! You're not getting out of detention!
I'll be out of here in 10 minutes. Careful, douchebag. This dungeon holds many secrets. For centuries, these halls went unmonitored. But then the evil overlord Mackie rose an army of gingers to protect his precious after-school detention. Now these minions lurk the halls, terrorizing and suspending the innocent. Intruder alert! Initiate security protocol! Shit, more of them! See if there's a way to take them all out at once!
Every step you take is another 10 demerits.
Remember what the wizard taught you! Use your magic! You grab mud on that one? Sound up, Sergeant!
You lawbreakers make me sick.
Somebody's baking brownies.
You're not gonna get through this door, okay? You might as well give up.
There's another way those souls best. He said the gold key's in his office.
Unauthorized pedestrian!
Hamburgers. Legend says there's a 6th grader hall monitor who has a zillion freckles and a clipboard made of human bone. They say he has a freckle for each kid he suspended.
Search him!
No, no! Get away from me, you freak! The protector of the brass key will never surrender! Why, that'd just be silly. Why, that'd just be silly. I can only heal. You need someone who can charm. Why, that'd just be silly. Oh, wow. Boobies. Must have. Must touch. Boobies. Oh. You can take the brass key.
Unauthorized pedestrian! You're a bad seed.
You sure about this? You're straight tripping, son. Eye for an eye. I'm just itching to use this referral. Feel my righteous fury! Engaging the enemy!
Hey-ya!
see what you've got.
Make my day, kid.
Feel my righteous fury! Taste my justice! I hope we didn't hurt you too bad.
More officers down. We're taking heavy casualties out here.
Damn it, you hallway monitors need to stop playing around!
He's got the brass key. He's some kind of dragonborn.
Now look, this is detention time, not time to play Dungeons and Dragons. And besides, he's never gonna get inside here because to open the door you need the gold key, and the only way to get the gold key is by getting the silver key. Okay, which even if he has the brass key, he still hasn't made it past the boss level. Okay?
You found the brass key!
He's here. Guard the key. Every step you take is another 10 demerits. Forget the key. Protect the front lines.
Well, lucky there was a box of fireworks just sitting there.
Shit your pants.
Yeah!
I'm in pursuit.
Oh, Christ, what a pickle! That was the most perfect throw I've ever seen. God damn it. Oh boy, we won! Well, that kid looks hurt pretty bad.
Can't you talk?
Don't be afraid to ask for help. Your word is the command, my lord. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your friends. Your word is the command, my lord. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your friends. Ow! Don't be afraid to ask for help from your friends.
Dude, you shit your pants.
Hey, oh, don't forget the key. Hey, oh, don't forget the key. Your word is the command, my lord. Don't be afraid to ask for help from your friends. Yeah, that's funny. Your word is the command, my lord. Yes, sir. Pat, nice. Now that feels better, doesn't it?
Thanks. I thought I was a goner. There were too many of them. They were too strong. Their hair too red. Maybe you could take the silver key and find the gold key. You can succeed where I have failed. Free Mackey's prisoners.
I sure hope the gold key is in there, or else the quest for the silver key has been all for nothing. Be careful, douchebag. This is Mackey's lair. One wrong step and we could end up in detention. Did you grab mud on that one? The gold key. No human has ever laid hands on it before. Let's hope it holds the power to unlock the cafeteria door.
That's far enough, intruder. Where's your hall pass? No hall pass? Then it's time to write you a referral.
Oh yeah, that's the boss. Good luck fighting the boss, okay? You still think this is a game, young man?
Deadly Fourth is authorized. Rawr! This is going on your permanent record.
Feel my righteous fury! That was close! Ah! Use your power on him! Hurry!
Make my day, kid. They're gonna eat you alive in detention. I'm just itching to use this referral slip. I see we are at a stalemate. I'm gonna scare you straight.
He's dead! I know he passed his spell. We gotta stop him next time.
You young punks, always thinking you're above the law, the hallway. I'll see you hang for this, new kid. Let's see what you got. Trespassing.
By the hammer of
Hall
letters.
is tantamount to trespassing in the office of Principal Victorious. How dare you?
No.
That's it. I'm notifying your parents.
Use your power on him. Hurry. Gosh, I think I might be dead.
Counselor Mackey shall hear of this. Assault!
By the hammer of letters.
Lawbreaker!
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's ringing. I wasn't worthy of the
Well, gee
sash.
whiz, I hope I level up.
Damn you, Craig!
Thanks for busting me out, kid. Who are you? What's your name? Oh well, I'm heading to Koopa Keep. See you there, I guess.
Where's your leash, human dog? Can you keep a secret? Neither can I. What, you want me to fight with you? Okay, this paladin is ready to kick some ass.
Gentlemen, thanks to the new kid, our entire army is assembled. It is my belief that the new kid deserves to rank up in level. To honor his efforts, he will no longer be called Douchebag. New kid, I hereby dub thee Sir Douchebag. Congratulations. But now it is time for us to take back that which is rightfully ours. A carrier raven has come with news that the Stick of Truth has not yet been taken to the Elven Forest. It is in the possession of the Bard.
The Bard? Oh god, not the Bard! The Bard is a level 10 drow elf who can use magic to enchant and destroy his enemies.
Are you ready to continue your training? Then make haste to the training grounds. I'm going to teach you how to use a ranged magic attack. It's not easy, but being able to cup a spell from a distance can save you in battle. Allow me to demonstrate. Yeah! Let me show you one more time. Watch closely. Yeah! You see how it works? Now you try. Way back from where you're standing. Cup the magic, throw it at your opponent. Yes, yes! But now let us see how you fare against a real opponent. Hey, Malkinson! Malkinson, could you come help us with something? Shh, don't touch it, it's gonna be sweet.
Yes?
Hey, Scott, could you spar with Douchebag real quick? He's gonna try a new move.
On guard!
Now, Douchebag, cup a spell! Dude, that was sweet! You threw that shit right in Scott's face! Alright, Scott, go back to your post. Thank you. Use it wisely in battle, Douchebag, and never on a man's boss. If the carrier ravens are correct, the Bard is hiding out at the Inn of the Giggling Donkey. We must find him before he's able to take the stick back to the Elven Forest.
Let us find the Bard and bring him to justice!
Make haste to the Giggling Donkey!